Circles we are continuing. Now let us see number of tangents from a point on a circle. Number of tangents from a point on a circle. So P is a point on the circle. If you take a point on the circle, through this point, how many tangents can be drawn? Only one tangent. So if you take a point on the circle, through that point only one tangent can be drawn. The second case is, if you take a point P in the exterior of the circle, from the exterior how many tangents can be drawn? We can draw two tangents if the point is taken in the exterior of the circle. PQ is one of the tangent, PR is one of the tangent. So two tangents can be drawn through a point taken in the exterior of the circle. But if you measure PQ and PR, we will get the lengths equal. PQ is called length of the tangent. So how length of the tangent is defined? It is the distance between the point of contact and the exterior point from which the tangent is drawn. So PQ is the length of the tangent, PR is also length of the tangent. So if you measure the length of PQ and PR, we'll get these two are equal, and we are going to learn a theorem regarding this point. And if you take a point in the interior of the circle, inside the circle, we cannot draw any tangent. You can see there are so many lines, but none of the line is a tangent of the circle. Therefore, no tangent can be taken, can be drawn from a point inside the circle. Two tangents can be drawn if the point is taken outside the circle. Only one tangent can be drawn if the point is taken on the circle. So on the circle, one tangent. Outside the circle, two tangents. Inside the circle, no tangent. Theorem 10.2. The theorem is the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So a circle is drawn with center O. P is a point in the exterior of the circle. From P, tangents are drawn. PQ is one tangent, PR is another tangent. We are asked to prove PQ is equal to what? Equal to PR. So given a circle with center O, P is the external point to the circle, it is in the exterior. PQ and PR are the tangents from P to the circle. What we are asked to prove PQ is equal to what? Equal to PR. This PQ and PR are the tangents, OQ is the radius, right? So we are going to join OQ, OR and what? And OP. So O is joined with R, P and Q. So I have taken triangle, in triangle OPQ and triangle OPR. There are two triangles, right? Here I take angle Q and here I take angle R. This PQ is a tangent and OQ is radius. According to theorem 10.1, what is this angle? This is 90 degree. PR is a tangent, OR is the radius drawn through the point of contact. What is measure of angle R? R is also 90 degree. So Q is equal to R. The reason is 90 degree by theorem 10.1. OQ is equal to OR. OQ is radius of the circle. OR is also radius of the same circle. Therefore, both are equal. The reason is radii of the same circle. Right? OP equals OP, common. You find the segment common in both the triangles. Therefore, hypotenuse, because this is 90 degree, this becomes the hypotenuse, and this is a side, this is a right angle. So right angle, hypotenuse and a side. Here also right angle, hypotenuse and the side. Therefore, by RHS theorem, triangle OPQ is congruent to triangle OPR. So from this I want to take PQ and PR only. So I take PQ. So here equal to what? Equal to PR. The reason is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Therefore by CPCT we get PQ is equal to what? Equal to PR. Let us revise the theorem again. The theorem is the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So we are given a circle. P is an external point. PQ and PR are the tangents drawn from the external point P. We asked to prove PQ is equal to what? Equal to PR. So we join O with Q, O with R and O with P. We are getting two triangles. So by proving these two triangles congruent, we are going to bring the result. PQ is a tangent and OQ is the radius drawn through the point of contact. Therefore here we get 90 degree by theorem 10.1. Similarly here too we get 90 degree by theorem 10.1. So these two angles are congruent. OQ and OR are radii of the same circle, hence they are equal. OP is the common side in both the triangles, therefore they are equal. Therefore by RHS theorem the triangles are congruent. And here we need to prove PQ equal to PR. Therefore we have taken the corresponding part PQ and PR. Therefore the theorem is proved. Exercise 10.2 first question. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter. We know from Q the tangent is drawn, so length of the tangent is given 24 centimeter. Distance of Q from the center is P. Distance of Q from the center P is given 25. The question is find the radius of the circle. PR we are asked. Right. So QR is a tangent. At which point? At the point R. And what is PR? PR is a radius. We know radius is perpendicular to the tangent drawn through the point of contact. Therefore, what is measure of angle R? R is equal to 90 by theorem 10.1. Therefore, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem here. PQ square is PR square plus QR square. PQ square is 25 square, PR square, QR square is 24 square. It is 625 minus 576 is equal to what? Equal to PR square, which is 49 equal to PR square. Therefore, PR equal to what? Equal to 7. Therefore, radius of the circle, radius R is equal to PR equal to how many centimeter? 7 centimeter. Exercise 10.2 second sum. In this figure, we are asked to find out this angle. PT is a tangent at the point P. PT is a tangent at P and OP is radius. Therefore, what is measure of angle P? P is equal to 90 degree. This is radius and this is a tangent at the point P. Therefore, this angle becomes 90 degree. Similarly, what is this QT? QT is a tangent. At which point? At the point Q. What is OQ? OQ is a radius. Therefore, what is measure of angle Q? Q is equal to 90 by theorem 10.1. You can see this is a quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, we know three angles. One is angle O 110, angle P 90 degree, angle Q is also 90 degree. Because we know three angles of this quadrilateral, the fourth angle can be calculated. Therefore, in quadrilateral, OQTP, angle O plus angle Q plus angle P plus angle T is equal to what? Equal to 360. Angle O is 110, here it is 90, again 90, angle T is equal to 360. Therefore, by adding, we get angle T is 360 minus 290, which is equal to 70. The question is find angle PTQ. Therefore, angle T, which is equal to angle PTQ, is equal to how many degrees? 70 degree. 70 degree. Third sum is if tangents PA and PB from the point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at an angle of 80. This is 80. The question is find out POA. POA, this angle is asked. First I complete this O with A and O with B. We are getting a quadrilateral, right? So angle A is 90, angle B is 90, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 by theorem 10.1, right? And angle P is given 80. So in any quadrilateral, what is sum of four angles? It is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, in quadrilateral, AOBP, angle A plus angle O plus angle B plus angle P is 360. Replace A by 90. O we are supposed to find. Therefore, I write this angle AOB plus B is 90. P is given 80 equal to 360. Therefore, what is measure of angle AOB? It is 360 minus 260. 180, 80 minus 260, which is equal to what? Equal to 100. Right? But we are asked to find out POA. This angle is asked. Remember, triangle this POA is congruent to triangle POB. These two triangles are congruent. Therefore, angle POA and POB are equal. Right? How they become congruent? These two are radii of the same circle. OP is the common side and this is right angle. Therefore, by RHS result, the triangles are congruent. These two are nothing but corresponding angles. CPCT. Right? Therefore, POA and POB are equal. The total is 100. You are asked to find out part of this. Therefore, 100 upon 2, which is equal to what? Equal to 50. Right? First, we are given only this angle. We know by theorem 10.1, these two angles each is 90 degree. Hence, we got angle AOB equal to 100. But these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Which two angles? POA and POB are equal. Both are equal and the total is 100. Therefore, what is each angle? Each angle is equal to 50 degree.